Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the smartest and most underrated finds from IKEA. Pieces that are genuinely useful, beautifully designed, and perfect for elevating your home without breaking the budget. From clever tech accessories to cozy textiles and stylish storage, these items prove that small changes can make a big difference. Let's get into the list. 1. SYMFONISK Sound Remote. Gen 2. This compact remote gives you effortless control over your SYMFONISK and Sonos speakers from anywhere at home. With intuitive buttons for playback, volume, and quick access playlists, it makes managing your audio feel seamless. A great choice if you want convenient, hands-on control without always reaching for your phone. 2. LÖVBACKEN Side Table. This stylish three-legged table brings a vintage touch, inspired by IKEA's first flat pack design. Its poplar veneer gives each piece a unique grain, while the brass-colored feet elevate the look of any room. Durable, easy to clean, and gentle on floors. It's a practical accent with real character. 3. SKRUVBY Side Table. A versatile table that adapts to your home. This piece offers open shelving you can style with decor, baskets, or bedside essentials. The oak-like top adds warmth, and the detailed feet give it a traditional feel. Easy assembly and mix-and-match compatibility make it ideal for creating coordinated storage solutions. 4. TRÅDFRI Starter Kit. This pre-paired smart lighting kit makes it simple to upgrade your space. Screw in the bulb, use the wireless dimmer, and adjust your lighting from anywhere in the room. It saves energy, sets the mood instantly, and works with up to 10 light sources, or even your smart home system when paired with a hub. 5. GULDFLY Cushion Cover. Soft cotton and a woven jacquard pattern give this cushion cover a refined, tactile look. The yellow-beige design adds subtle warmth, making it easy to blend with modern or cozy interiors. With its hidden zipper and machine-washable fabric, it's as practical as it is elegant. 6. GULLSTRÅLE Bedspread. This fluffy fleece bedspread adds instant comfort and warmth to colder evenings. Its light beige texture brings a calm, stylish layer to a double bed, doubling as a cozy throw for lounging. Soft against the skin and great for keeping heat in, it's both decorative and functional. 7. IKEA 365 Plus Serving Stand. Crafted from durable acacia wood, this serving stand elevates everyday meals and special gatherings alike. The mix of warm wood and smooth ceramic creates a striking presentation, perfect for pastries, appetizers, or centerpieces. Strong, long-lasting, and available in multiple shapes, it adds style and height to any table setup. 8. KLIPPFISK Sauté Pan. This modern sauté pan combines colorful design with everyday practicality. Its durable ceramic nonstick coating makes cooking and cleaning easier, while dual spouts help right and left-handed cooks pour confidently. The wooden handles stay comfortable to hold, and the glass lid, and with built-in strainers, lets you monitor your food effortlessly. 9. LÖNESPELARE Laptop Support. Lightweight, foldable, and designed for comfort, this stand raises your laptop to a better eye level, helping reduce strain during long sessions. Its compact design is perfect for travel or switching workspaces at home, while the sturdy structure keeps your device stable wherever you set up. 10. SKOGSKOVALL Bedspread. SKOGSKOVALL's jacquard woven cotton bedspread adds texture and calm with its geometric pattern. Lightweight yet substantial, it dresses the bed with a refined, tactile surface that feels cool in summer and layers well in winter. A great pick if you want a durable, a natural fiber throw with a designer touch. 11. GRÅMÖRT tray. This generous bamboo tray is both practical and decorative. Perfect for clearing a cluttered desk, serving breakfast, or creating a centerpiece. The raised edges give a secure grip, and each handmade diagonal pattern is unique. Handy for small space living when one surface must serve many functions. 12. FLORSJÖN wall shelf with 3 hooks. A compact shelf with 3 hooks ideal for entryways, bathrooms, or guest toilets. The concealed mounting keeps the look clean, and you can choose screws or adhesive for installation. Practical for keys, small toiletries, or towels. A tidy space-saving solution with a soft beige finish. 13. LUNDSKAFTING duvet cover. Set this percale cotton lyocell duvet cover blends crispness with breathability and a playful botanical print that keeps bedding fresh and lively. Lyocell helps wick moisture, while the durable weave stays smooth after washing. Comes with a neat press stud closure. Great for sleepers who like both pattern and performance. 14. RENSARE clothes. Bag set a set of 3 packing bags that turn suitcase chaos into order. Roll trousers, stack tees, and keep socks or chargers in the small pouches. Lightweight and practical, they fit Ikea backpacks and storage boxes and make packing, organizing, and unpacking faster. Especially useful for frequent travelers or neat packers. 15. STRÅLA LED Candelabra. STRÅLA gives 2 looks in one. Sleek without the paper discs, soft and organic with them. Battery-powered with a built-in timer, it's an easy way to add cozy mood light anywhere, without cables. Long-lasting LED means low energy use and minimal fuss for seasonal or everyday ambience. 16. TURTURDUVA candlestick. With a soft off-white finish and a drip-catching base, TURTURDUVA brings a vintage-inspired romantic feel to tabletops. It's simple to wipe clean and pairs well with rustic or modern decor. Choose it when you want subtle charm without overpowering your table setting. 17. DRACAENA MASSANGEANA potted plant. A lush 2-stem Dracaena adds instant greenery and life to any room with minimal fuss. Easy to style with your favorite pot. It's a low-maintenance way to soften corners and improve ambiance, ideal for beginners who want the benefits of plants without high-care needs. 18. GLADELIG baking dish. This small stoneware baking dish goes from oven to table with a lovely dark gray glaze that elevates simple meals. Use it for single gratins, sides, or as a deep serving plate. Durable and charming, it mixes well with other tableware to create a cohesive, cozy setting. And that's it for today's IKEA finds. I hope this helped you discover a few new pieces that could make your home more comfortable, functional, or inspiring. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which product caught your eye. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.